Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and you may not know, but this is a common problem with Windows 10, that sometimes it won't show the Wi-Fi option on the settings, even on the taskbar, and if you click on this option, then you won't be able to see Wi-Fi networks. And if you go to Network and Internet, still you won't be able to see any network on your Windows 10 listed there. Okay, now let's fix this problem. So the first thing you should do is go to Start and search for Control Panel. And from there, go to Internet Options. And from there, go to Advanced tab, and just click on Restore Advanced Settings, and then click on Reset, and finally click on Close, and this will reset the Internet options on your Windows 10. But if this doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you should do is, the next thing you can do is press the Windows and R key on your keyboard simultaneously, and then type Services, MSC, then hit Enter, and you will see a list of Windows services on your computer. From there, look for WLAN Auto Config, and verify whether this service is running. If it is not, then on the top of the menu, you will see an option to start this service, and you can also right-click on this service. Go to Properties, and from there, you will see an option to start it from here as well, and make sure the Startup tab is set to Automatic and then hit Apply. You must restart Windows 10 for this to take effect. If you followed these steps, but the WLAN Auto Config service was already running, then you have to follow this next method. For this, go to Start, and open Settings, and go to Network and Internet, and then go to Change Adapter Options. Click on it, and you will get your Wi-Fi adapter listed there. If it is disabled, then you need to right-click on it and click on Enable. But if it is already enabled, then you can try to disable this Wi-Fi adapter and enable it again. So just right-click on it and click Disable, then click on Enable. And doing this may enable the network adapter on your PC, and you would be able to see the networks. And if it is still not working, then press Windows plus R key together on your keyboard, and in there type devmgmd.msc, then hit OK. And on this screen, look for network adapters and expand the options, and here, you will get your Wi-Fi network adapter listed here. Just check for the network adapter written in the end there, or it may be Intel Ethernet connection. It may be Broadcom, Realtek, or any other network adapter. Now right-click on it, and click on Update Driver. Since you are not connected to the Wi-Fi, you won't be able to search for automatic driver installation. So click on Browse My Computer for drivers, then click on Let me pick from list of available drivers. Now here, you have to select the driver to the date where your Wi-Fi was working and click on Next to install the driver, and also you can try to install other drivers to check which one may be faulty. If you don't have a VPN installed, ignore the VPN drivers, but don't forget to check the kill switch on your VPN provider. If it is on, then turn it off, so your Windows Internet applications are not suspended by the VPN. And after updating the drivers, you have to restart your Windows 10 and check if the Wi-Fi option is showing or not. If it is not showing, then come back to this page, right-click on this network driver, and click on Properties, and then go to Power Management, and uncheck this option. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. After that, hit OK. And then, check if you're getting network options or not. If not, then come back to this page again. Right-click on your network driver and click on Uninstall Device, then click on Uninstall, and after the uninstall, you need to restart the Windows 10 again. Once you restart the PC, it will automatically install the driver again and check if you are getting Wi-Fi options or not. And if you are still unable to see the Wi-Fi network option, then go to Settings, Network and Internet, and then click on Network Reset, click on Reset Now, then hit Yes to confirm. And after that, Windows 10 will restart itself and reset your network settings. Everything related to network will be deleted and it will start as by any chance. If it is still not working, then you have to get another working computer where you can access the internet, go to the Google, and just search for the network driver of your laptop model, or if you have custom-built PC, then you can find the network card driver, just look for motherboard model number, or the network card model number, and download its driver. In this case, it is a laptop, so I have to download the network driver from the laptop manufacturer website. You may have to select your operating system, and after that, you will get this kind of network driver, like Intel Wireless LAN or any other wireless LAN driver, and then download the driver to your computer and install it. After the installation, you may be able to see the Wi-Fi network. In the most cases, these methods should help you to fix the problem. But if you are still getting the problem, then press Windows R key together on your keyboard. Type there Mrs. Config, then hit OK. Now go to Services tab and click on Enable all the services. Hit Apply, then OK. then you need to restart your Windows 10. After that, check if you are able to connect to the network or not. So these were some methods to fix the problem when Wi-Fi option is not showing on Windows 10. Hope you found this video helpful. Please leave a like if you did, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one.